Learning is fun with Learn Easy Swayam. Welcome back, friends, in our YouTube channel Learn Easy Swayam. Today we are going to continue with our Standard 10th lesson Be Smart and its English workshop questions, question number 2, 3 and 4. For that, just subscribe the channel and get the further updates. Previously, we have seen question number 1 and question number 8. In question number 1 and question number 8, we have done with the components of the success and at the same time how we supposed to frame a speech. In our question number 2 and question number 3, we have to write the examples and examples for framing a speech, for framing a paragraph, and at the same time to expand any idea. Friends, today we are going to see the importance of examples and proverbs in speech writing. म्हणजेच काय मुलांनो, तर आज आपण इंग्रजी भाषण लिहिताना उदाहरणं आणि म्हणींचा उपयोग समर्पक आणि योग्य केला तर मग ते भाषण कुठल्याही भाषेतील असो ते किती योग्य आणि प्रभावी होतं हे तर पाहणारच आहोत. पण आपल्या 10वीच्या बी स्मार्ट या लेसनमधले क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, 3 and 4 त्याच्या सहाय्यानं पूर्ण करणार आहोत. If you've seen your question number 2, find out the examples from the text that support each of the following line. म्हणजेच बघा, खाली दिलेल्या ओळीला मदत करणारी आणि त्याच्या संदर्भाने असणारी जी उदाहरणं तुमच्या बी स्मार्ट या धड्यामध्ये दिलेली आहेत ती आपल्याला शोधायची आहेत. आता इथून पुढे मात्र मी ती उदाहरणं तुम्हाला पटकन सांगणार आहे आणि ती लाईन त्याला कशी कंप्ले करते हेही मी तुम्हाला सांगणार आहे. त्यामुळे तुम्हाला आपण जेव्हा नवीन एखादं भाषण लिहू तेव्हा उदाहरणांचा वापर कसा करायचा ते लक्षात येईल. पण ते जे उदाहरण आहे ते जसंच्या तसं मी तुम्हाला वाचून दाखवणार नाही आहे बिकॉज इट वेस्ट टाईम. आपलं पहिलं जे उदाहरण आहे ते उदाहरण गोल्स शुड बी अचिवेबल मीन्स इट इज easy to understand and easy to find that the particular example which you're supposed to find is from the paragraph which is based on the achievable goals. And here they have given the example of a president, prime minister, but you have to work properly as a student and at the same time you have to copy the paragraph which they have given in your textbook. Secondly, a time limit should be set to achieve goals. A time limit should be set to achieve goals. For that line, example of weight is given and how consistently and rigorously you're supposed to work hard to reduce your weight. That the particular example you have to write or copy from your textbook or from the page number 23. Page number 22. On page number 22, the same line, a specific field area has to be fixed to achieve goals. Here, the particular line is about specific word and here they have used the example of house. So, the lines are, if it is building a house, what exactly is capacity required and how long can it stretch? See? And your fourth one example is of trumpet. Your fourth example is of trumpet and for that life is like a trumpet. The particular example की आयुष्य हे तुतारीसारखे आहे हे जे दिलं आहे ते तुम्ही इथे आहे तसं तुमच्या पॅरेग्राफमधनं लिहिणं अपेक्षित आहे. A benchmark is needed to track the progress. A benchmark is needed to track the progress. म्हणजेच इथे तुमचं फुटबॉलचं जे उदाहरण पुस्तकात दिलेलं आहे ते तुम्ही लिहिणं अपेक्षित आहे कारण कधीही आपल्याला आपल्या यशाची आखणी करायची असेल तर एक ठराविक पायरी निश्चित करावी लागते, एक घटक निश्चित करावा लागतो. या अर्थानं त्यांनी फुटबॉलचं उदाहरण दिलं आहे. सो यू हॅव टू राईट द पर्टिक्युलर एक्झाम्पल फ्रॉम युअर टेक्स्ट अँड हियर विल जस्ट सी विथ द प्रेझेंटेशन. सी हियर आय हॅव यूज्ड the pictures which are suitable for your examples. So after question number 2, complete the following sentence is question number 3. And it is easiest question, as you just have to complete the remaining sentence because half of the sentence is given by them. Smart goals are. So if you recall properly, in your textbook there are red lines, 3 to 4 red lines are written after 3 paragraphs. These lines you're supposed to write. A methodology of thinking that helps people reach success. Smart goals are, and you have to complete the remaining sentence. 2 valuable assets of setting goals are. 2 valuable assets. If you again see our, I think, part 3. If you see in our part 3 video, in the particular video, I have explained the 2 assets of the success or the 2 assets of setting goals. You can continue with the same answer. Last but not the least, question number 4 is utmost important because here they tell you to find out the similar quotes for the speech or for the paragraph given in your lesson. Means the paragraph which is related with the setting goals and paragraph which is related with the success, you have to find out the proverbs which can go with the same meaning. म्हणजेच काय तर तुमच्या असलेल्या धड्याच्या आशयानुरूप असणारे त्यांनी 2 म्हणी तुम्हाला दिलेल्या आहेत आणि त्याच्यासारख्याच आशय असणाऱ्या पण थोड्या शब्दानुरूप वेगळ्या म्हणी तुम्ही शोधणं अपेक्षित आहे. Here they have given example of you reap as you sow and input is equal to output. So here you have to find out the proverbs or the important words or the important sentences, good thoughts, inspirational quotes to complete your speech. So I have given 4 examples. No pain, no gains. Well begun is half done. Hard work is a key to success. You get out of life what you put into it. So friends, after our question number 2, 3, 4, we'll continue our next video about how to draft and how to deliver a speech in English. And obviously, it is your question number 5 to 8 from the Be Smart lesson. So wait for the next video. Bye bye. Thanks a lot.